Parlok baro sngoba subscribe ya kan ka channel KREN PHARENG lada fikwa show kum kini ki videos kuble shibon. 11 Don Khatwei ngot ki nong ya le kai hakawei ka football team. There are 11 players in a football team. There are 11 players in a football team. 12 Khat ars nem min chua. 12 years ago. 12 years ago. 13 Tang khat lai ngot ki nong trei ki wan trei. Only 13 workers came to work. Only 13 workers came to work. 14 Ka jingjrong jong une udeng kalong khat sao put. The height of this tree is 14 feet. The height of this tree is 14 feet. 15 Uwei u apple u shong dor khat san tingka. One apple costs 15 rupees. One apple cost 15 rupees. 16 Ngathia khat henreu kenta menta kasngi. I slept 16 hours today. I slept 16 hours today. 17 Don khat hinyo ngot ki khana school ha kaneka class. There are 17 students in this class. There are 17 students in this class. 18 Ngala long ban tap vote namar ngala day khat pras nem. I can vote now because I am 18 years old. I can vote now because I am 18 years old. 19 Kane ka kot kadon khat khandai teli kilinong. This book has 19 chapters. This book has 19 chapters. 20 Ngahap ayapi Arphew tingka. I have to give you 20 rupees. I have to give you 20 rupees. Te parlok baro sngoba subscribe ya kaneka channel KREN PHARENG lada fikwa asyo kum kini ki videos kublai shibon.